Hello guys, now we will learn how to hide your Facebook friends list. Simply in your profile, go to Friends tab, click it, then go to the right side, press Manage, then Edit Privacy. Okay, in the friend list section, who can see your friend list, select only me. Simply guys, that's it. As you can see, okay, now in mobile phone, go to the three line below in the right side, press or scroll to settings. Okay, then go to settings. In the settings tab, go to the privacy settings. Okay, scroll down to who can see your friend list. Who can see your friends list. Okay, now select only me. That's it. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.